I am here today to talk on day 3 of our Wellness Week educational workshop, which I am presenting this week. For those of you that do not know me, I have been a doTERRA wellness advocate for the last 7.5 years. And uh, what that means is I help a lot of people to be able to naturally take care of their health and well-being with safe, natural, chemical-free products. So today we're going to talk about start diving into some of the products that I use on a daily basis to help support my body and my immune system. We are talking about the immune system this week, and Sunday go. You need to go back and be sure you watch my other two videos, day 1 and day 2. Day 1, I explained all about the immune system, how it works. Day 2, yesterday, I talked about the different factors that causes our immune system to be compromised. So today, I'm going to start off with one of the factors, which is our skin, which is our largest organ of our body that we have. And as you know, our skin is exposed to everything out there in the air, everything that's external, for what we breathe, where we're at, all the surroundings that we're around, what we put on our skin, all of this, it plays a huge part in our immune system and how it can stay healthy or you can compromise it either way. So we're going to start out with, uh, for one thing, you can probably see my diffuser going here in the background, right here. Uh, I've got uh, On Guard Protective Blend, which is a proprietary blend of wild orange, cinnamon leaf bark, clove, eucalyptus, and rosemary. This particular oil is a powerful immune support protection for us to use. I've got 3 drop of On Guard and 3 drop of lemon essential oil in my water. And what that does is not only help support my immune system, but it also great in cleaning the air. Lemon is great for not only detoxifying our bodies, but also for cleaning and all those type of things. So I got the combination of the two of them in here to help, for me to help me and my breathing and that and supporting my immune system as well as cleansing the air. Uh, Another product that we also use on a daily basis, which is On Guard. It's called the On Guard uh, Plus Soft Gel, Protective Blend Soft Gel. These are a powerhouse. My husband and I take 2 of these every day, and we've started taking them every day since I'd say about the beginning of October, and we will continue taking them throughout the winter months into the spring. Not only it has the same 5 oils that I listed earlier for the essential oil, but it also has 3 additional uh, oils in it. It's called black pepper, oregano, and melissa. These are all 3 fantastic in supporting our immune system. It just helps, as it says, On Guard Plus, it just gives it that extra boost to keep our immune system healthy. And like I say, I take one at breakfast and one at lunch. In fact, my husband and I both do. Uh, Another oil that I use a lot, and my husband uses it every day for sure, is Breathe Essential Oil. This is another one for our respiratory support. It helps keeps our lung clear, so you don't have any kind of issues going on there. It's great, also if you're starting to feel Uh, this time of the season, with all the changes of the trees and the leaves and the grasses and all, a lot of people develop uh, seasonal threats, allergies against a lot of these different things. And then it starts causing havoc with our congestion and our respiratory and that type of thing. And this is a great oil to support that as well. The breathe oil is what we use. I also mentioned that, uh, you know, with our skin, we're always putting things on our skin to keep it moisturized so it doesn't dry out so bad. And I know when you go to the grocery store or the health food store or wherever, you're always buying some type of, I'm sure, lotion, moisturizers, whatever it may be that you put on your skin. And I can assure you what you're getting is loaded with chemical and toxin. And all you're doing is uh, compromising your immune system that much more when you do that. doTERRA has a hand and body lotion, which is all natural, chemical free. It's safe. My husband uses this a lot because he has dry skin. He being a redhead, he gets dry skin real easily. So he uses this a lot. We go through a lot of this. And he doesn't have any problem with it whatsoever, causing any kind of uh, side effects or whatsoever. Okay, for in the bathroom, when we're always having to wash and shampoo our hair, we have, I know you buy shampoo and conditioner from the store, and it's loaded with toxins and chemicals as well. You can, doTERRA also make protective shampoo and conditioning, a conditioner for your hair. And it's all, as I say, 100% natural, 100% safe. And with the shampoo, you can actually add, put some in your hand and add a drop of, if you wanted to, uh, if you have problems with your hair growing or you have thin hair, you can put a drop or two of the shampoo in the palm of your hand and then add a drop of rosemary, and that will help with your hair growth. So these two things are great in supporting our hair. Uh, Bathing, take a bath. You always have to have bars of soap. doTERRA, in case you did not know, also make bath bars that are 100% natural and safe to use. And we use all these products. Ever since I became a doTERRA uh, customer, we no longer buy any of these products at the grocery store. All we've done is shift our buying from the grocery store to the doTERRA product. Uh, Another thing that helps washing our hands when we come from outside or wherever, and we're always having to wash our hands. doTERRA also makes, in the On Guard line family, On Guard foaming hand wash. And this is great. It's like a sanitizer. It's washing your hand, and it cleans your hand to where it gets free of germs and that type of thing. Uh, One other thing I forgot to bring here with me to show you is in the On Guard line of product, doTERRA also makes a On Guard's hand sanitizing mist. It's in a sprayer. It's actually hand sanitizer is what it is. And I carry that with me in my purse all the time. It goes with me everywhere I go. And it gets used frequently. In fact, to be quite honest with you, I don't wash my hands in a public restroom. As soon as I get through doing what I need to do, I get my bottle of On Guard hand sanitizing mist and I spray my hands with it and wipe my hands down with the sanitizing mist. Uh, Another thing, talking about surfaces of our floor and all, with them being dirty and all, and then you're using, if you go to the store and then you're having to buy, I don't even know what some of the chemical, the products are anymore because I haven't bought them in so long. Lysol, disinfectant, Clorox disinfectant. I'm not sure what all else there is out there anymore since I don't buy it. Anyway, you clean your floors with that, but think about all the fume, the aroma from those products and what you're inhaling in your body and how it can affect our immune system. So doTERRA has a On Guard cleaner concentrate, which I absolutely love this. I use this to mop my floors. It doesn't take but just a little bit in a gallon of bucket of water and smells amazing. I also use this to clean my bathroom, clean my commode. I just put a little squirt in the toilet bowl and clean it. So therefore, I'm not using no Lysol bowl cleaner to clean my toilet and having to get my hand uh, in that water with that type of product and get it on my hands and that type of thing. And this is what I use. I use this for cleaning all my different things that I have here. So that's the On Guard uh, cleaner concentrate. So these are just some of the things that I use or we use on a daily basis to help support our immune system. Uh, for skincare, tomorrow I'm going to be talking about diet and what products we can use in supporting our diet, the food that we eat, and that type of thing. So I hope you enjoyed it, got any information out of it, and feel free if you've got any questions to jot them down in the comment, and I'll come back and answer them later. Take care, and we'll be talking tomorrow. Bye bye.